Today I will discuss about the topic trigonometry. And what is trigonometry? First of all, know about the trigonometry. Trigonometry, that is trigonometron. That is metron is the Greek word. So tri means three, gon means sides, metron is study. That means the study of three sides is called trigonometry. In other words, it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. So, father of trigonometry is Aryabhat, 476 550. The study of trigonometry was first started in India. First started हुआ था India से. Then after that is in ancient Indian mathematician, that is Aryabhat, Brahmagupta, Bhaskara, and Bhaskara too got important result in trigonometry. First India, then Middle East, then Europe. That is the circular. But in Greek, they represent, okay, some gave the concept, but that concept is very clumsy, critical. So approach is very not easy. But in Indian concept is very easy. So that's why in what that adapt very easily. More than 2000 years old, Egypt, Babylonian, Greece, India, all are covered. So what is trigonometry? So trigonometry, the study of a three side, is that a better concept. But for studying the sides of the triangle, having some another properties of the triangle, that is the angle property. For measurement of the angle, we need some concept. That is, one is the device, another is the unit. So first of all, we want to know about the angle. What is angle? Angle क्या है? तो फर्स्ट हमको उसको पता लेना चाहिए. Here, angles. A figure traced by the rotating a given ray about its end point. That is called angle. Means this is equal to initial ray and it rotates anti-clockwise. So this is the way. This is initial ray. This is the terminal ray. So this is making positive angle, that is equal to theta. Means if we rotate anti-clockwise, that taken as a positive angle. Similarly, if rotated clockwise, that is a negative angle. Means this form, it forms as B is the terminal side. This is the initial side. This angle taken as negative theta. This is positive theta. This is negative theta. Why? The rotation, that is the clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation taken as negative angle. So for measurement of angle, we need one unit and other devices. One unit and other devices. Same concept. Before that, for measurement of side, we need one is unit, another is the devices. Already मेजरमेंट वो पहले से था, वो हो चुका था साइड मेजरमेंट के लिए, बट यूनिट और डिवाइसेस एंगल मेजरमेंट के लिए नहीं था. सम सिस्टम इट इज डेवलप. One is that is here millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, hectometer. Okay, dot dot. Similarly, devices that is scale, tape, thread, etc. This concept already we know. For measurement of a triangle angle, one is a similarly unit, another is a device necessary. This is a triangle A, B, C, one, three sides and three angles are there. For measurement or study of a triangle, two concepts are angle concept, another side concept. Side concept already given that side measurement कैसे होगा वो already दिया है. But angle measurement कैसे होगा? For measurement of angle, we need one is a units, that is degree unit, radian unit, gradian unit, and another is steradian unit. Similarly, steradian it is only measurement for solid angle and device. That is device. One is the protractor, another is the set square, another is the angular, then trigonometry function. That means protractor that measure some specific angle of to 180. If you two protractor, that it is 360. Then set square of to 180, मतलब 90 degree. This is the angular also 90 degree. But trigonometry function, it can measure much more degrees. That means 180 degree, 1080 degree, 180 degree. Whatever angle it has, this device can measure. That device is what? That is trigonometry function is a device. So first of all, we know about the unit. One is a degree, another is a radian, another is a gradian. Three systems are there. First is the British system or English system, or we can say sexagesimal system, or this is US system. US system. This is equal to, or also called, that is FOPS system. Now, this system having some unit. What unit? That is the degree unit. Degree unit. That means one right angle that is equal to 90 degree. One degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the FOPS system का मेजरमेंट. पहले से हमको पता था वह राइट एंगल के बारे में, बट पता नहीं था डिग्री के बारे में. Similarly, another system, that is a French system. French system. French system or centesimal system or CGS system. So in this system, the unit is a gradient or a grad, or you can write. That means one right angle is equal to 100 gradient. One gradient is equal to 100 minute. And 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. That means here FOPS minute and CGS minutes are different. For measurement के लिए उस separate system में separate measurement हो रहे थे. After communication, they take their relationship. Now comes to the another system, that is a circular system. Circular system, sometimes also called British system. So circular system का unit, that is radian unit, or C you can write, or you can not, any blank space you can write. That means any number, any real number, any number, simple without having any C, then you can say that is a radian. Means, first of all, what is radian? A subtended angle at the center by an arc of a circle is called radian. Is called radian. Now, here this is a circle. This is the subtended angle theta. This is arc length L. This is radius R. That means you know that here, if L is equal to 1 unit, R is equal to 1 unit, then theta is equal to 1 radian. That is this, 1 radian. Here, you know that is the perimeter that is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here r is equal to 1, means 2 pi into 1, that is 2 pi. 2 pi means that is radian. 2 pi means that is radian. But that is a perimeter having that is a 360 degree. So that 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. That means pi radian is equal to 180 degree. That implies pi radian is equal to 180 degree. You can say pi by 2 radian is equal to 90 degree. Here 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Means 180 degree by 3.14. If you divide, that value comes 57 degree, 16 minute, 46 seconds. Similarly, 1 degree is equal to, that is pi by 180 radian. Pi by 180 radian. Now, here 30 degree means what? Pi by 180 into 30. That means pi by 6 radian. If you write C, that is good. Don't write, that is good. Always read, that is a radian. Similarly, 45 degree pi by 180 into 45, that is equal to pi by 4 radian, or you can write directly pi by 4. लिखने से चलेगा, नहीं लिखने से चलेगा, but डिग्री लिखना जरूर है. Similarly, 60 degree pi by 180 into 60, that is equal to pi by 3 radian or pi by 3. Some conversions are there. Now comes to the relationship between three units. Relationship between three units. One right angle, that is equal to 90 degree. That is equal to pi by 2 radian. That is equal to 100 radian. You can say 180 degree is equal to pi radian. That is 200 radian. This is the relationship between three units. Here, some degree and radian and gradian. Some conversions are there. We have to write. Here, degree, radian, gradian. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree. That is 0 radian, pi by 6 radian, pi by 4 radian, pi by 3 radian, pi by 2 radian, 2 pi by 3 radian, then pi radian. Here, the gradient, that is 0 gradient, 100 by 3 gradient, 50 gradient, 200 by 3 gradient, that is 90 degrees, 100 gradient, that is 400 by 3 gradient, 180 degrees, 200 gradient. This is the conversion table. That is degree, radian, gradient. Now convert 43.1025 degree into minutes and seconds. 43 degree plus 0.1025 degree. That 43.1025 degree. That means 0.1025 degree is equal to 0.1025 into 6 minutes. That is 6.15 minutes. That is 0.15 minute is equal to 0.15 into 60 seconds. That is equal to 9 seconds. Similarly, here 43.1025 degree can written 43 degree, 6 minutes, 9 seconds. Now comes to some other conversion, degree to radian and radian to. Here, convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. 40 degree 20 minutes is equal to 40 degree plus 20 minutes. That is 40 degree plus 20 by 60 degree, or 40 degree plus 1 by 3 degree, or 40 degree, 40 whole 1 by 3 degree. That means 121 by 3 degree, 121 into pi by 180 radian. So that 121 by 540 pi radian. This is the conversion, that is a degree to radian. This is the conversion. Similarly, other conversion, radian. Here, convert 6 radians into degree measures. 6 radian is equal to 6 into 180 degree by pi. That is equal to 6 into 180 degree by 22 into 7, means pi value that 22 by 7. Means 1080 degree into 7 by 22. Means 343 whole 7 by 11 degree. That 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree converted into minute, 60 minute multiply कर दिया. इसके बाद 343 plus 420 minute by 11. Then 343 degree plus 38 minute plus 2 minute by 11. Similarly, 2 minute by 11 converted into second, means 60 second multiply कर दिया. Then 343 degree plus 38 minute plus 10.9 second. That means this division value, the 10.9 second comes. So it is approximate value 343 degree, 38 minute, 11 second. 11 second. So that this is the conversion radian to degree. Then how to convert radian to degree, then how to convert degree to radian, then how to convert degree to minute and second, we know. Understood? Relationship between the sides and interior angles of a polygon. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon of n side, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, or n minus 2 into pi radian. Here n is greater than equal to 3, n is belongs to natural number. Means it is applicable for triangle, means n is equal to 3. It is applicable for greater than 3, means quadrilateral, then pentagon, then hexagon, etc. Similarly, each interior angles of a regular polygon of n side, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n, to n minus 2 by n into pi radian, where n is belongs to natural number. These are the relationships between sides and interior angles of a polygon. Polygon may be triangle, polygon may be rectangle, polygon may be square, polygon may be pentagon, etc. Here, another question. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? In 60 minutes, that the minute hand completes one revolution, that is 360 or 2 pi radian. Therefore, in 40 minutes, minute hand covers 2 by 3 of one revolution. So theta is equal to 2 by 3 into 360 degree, that is 2 by 3 into 2 pi radian. That means 4 pi by 3 radian. Hence, the required distance travel, that is L, that is arc length L, that is r theta, which that is here. This is the minute hand that covers. This is 40 that cover. This is theta. This is L. This is r. So that L is equal to r theta 1.5 into 4 by pi by 3, 2 pi centimeter, 6.28 centimeter. That is 2 into 3. Okay, 0.14. That is 6.28 centimeter result. That means in 40 minutes, the minute hand that is here, this is minute 1.5 centimeter, it covers in 6.28 centimeters. Thank you, and please subscribe. You get more video, update video in, okay, and I will tell another concept in next video. Thank you.